Hello, this is the video tour of Kamin apartment number 32. So you walk on in the front apartment door. So you've got a nice little tile entryway in the living room. So let me turn the camera here so you can get a better angle. See, carpeted. Nice big window up front. We're on the 3rd floor, so you get some light up here. It's a nice decorative fireplace over here with the wall sconces up top. Shelf over there, hall closet right here. See, coat rack. It's about 5 feet wide. There's 2 shelves up top for more storage and space down below as well. Alright, then we'll go through the living room. The first bedroom is right off the living room here. So you see, let me just get in here. I'll flip it so you can see more of the room. So you see there's a nice big windows. It's got a full-size bed here. And then built-in storage there. And then about a 4-foot closet right there. So you see this room in here. It's got a couple storage items, a desk, bed, still room to walk around. Alright, then through here we've got some more tile. And then the bathroom. Got the medicine cabinet, vanity, nice tile walls, toilet, and the shower right up there. You see? And then the second bedroom right next to the bathroom. See, it's still carpeted. Really nice big window up front. Shining bright in here. I'll just give you some scope here. See, desk, dresser, full-size bed. And then there's plenty of room to walk around in still. Then I'll just take you back to the closet. This closet is about probably 5 feet wide with a shelf up top. Alright, then we'll go back through to here. So there's like a dining room. So you see it's just empty, like storage closet type things right here. Nice little dining room. I'll flip it again. See, room for a table, built-in storage there for dishes and such. Nice window. Then the kitchen. Oops, here. Full-size refrigerator. Lots of cabinets, some countertop space. Dishwasher, electric oven. Then nice window, fire escape out there. So that's a video tour of Kamin 32.